I can, I am, I will, I must. If your dreams stand still, they'll start to rust. Reflect on your dreams. Take a moment to visualize your dreams and aspirations. Embrace the I can mindset. Shift your mindset from doubt to belief by affirming your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your dreams. Embody the I am affirmation. Affirm your authentic essence and potential by recognizing your inherent worth and capabilities. Embrace the I will commitment. Make a firm commitment to take action toward your dreams. Emphasize the I must determination. Develop an unwavering determination and sense of urgency toward your dreams. Challenge the status quo. Recognize that dreams without action will remain stagnant. Embrace a growth-oriented mindset. Embrace a mindset that views failures and setbacks as valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Take inspired action. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Take consistent action towards your dreams, even if it's a small step each day. Surround yourself with support. Seek out individuals who inspire and uplift you. Believe in yourself. Cultivate self-belief by regularly reminding yourself of your strengths, achievements, and potential. By embracing the empowering I can, I am, I will, I must mindset, you hold the key to unlocking your inner power and creating the life you deserve. Commit to this transformative journey with unwavering determination. Take action and watch your dreams become a reality. Together, we can uplift and support each other on our personal development journey. Subscribe, like, share, and become a part of our positive community.